This is a how-to video describing the removal and installation of PCI Express video cards. Before you start, be sure to discharge any static electricity from your hands. You can easily do this by touching something electrically grounded, such as a metal appliance that is plugged in. Also, make sure your computer is off and unplugged before opening the system chassis. Before we remove the video card, we'll need to locate it. We've already removed the side panel from this system. This panel was held on by 2 thumb screws in the back and some sliding tabs, similar to most of the systems we sell. Yours may be different. You can see the video card in the system chassis here. If you are unsure where your video card is, consider where your monitor plugs in. You can see the DVI video outputs here, so this is obviously your video card. The next step is to unplug any power cables going to the video card. Just grasp the connector and squeeze the lever to release it, then pull away from the video card. Depending on your particular system, it may have a card keeper holding it in. Either way, you'll need to remove the screws that are holding down the rear bracket of the video card from the system chassis. Once these screws are removed, the card keeper should come off easily. Now the video card is just hanging from its PCI Express slot. There's a latching mechanism on most PCI Express slots. I'm going to show you the 2 kinds used on the systems we build. This is the XFX 790i motherboard, and you can see that you just push the button on the side and pull the card out. This is the ASUS P5N-T motherboard, and you can see that you pull this lever and then pull the card out. Now we're going to put a replacement video card in. You don't need to worry about the latch when you put the card in, just push it into the slot. Note that the metal bracket on the card needs to slide into a notch in the chassis at the same time, so if the card is not going in easily, take a look at that. Sometimes you may need to bend the metal bracket slightly to make it go into the correct place. Once the card is in, just put the screws back in and plug in the power cables and you're ready to go.